Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language in a Canon Pixma MG5550. This is nice and simple, done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. Now, although my printer is in English currently, I'm going to make all of the button presses very clear, so you should be able to follow them regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you want it to change to. So from the home screen of the printer, it should look like this with the same icons I've got here for copy, scan and cloud. If you're not here, just press the home button on the left hand side here to be taken here. Now we use the down arrow on the D-pad here, press it once, twice until we have setup, which is shown by the screwdriver and a pair of pliers we've got there. Then we press the button underneath that icon. Now the first option is maintenance, but if we press right once, it takes us over to device settings. Then we press OK to go into that. Hopefully you can see it's got the two little sliders there for device settings. Once we're in device settings, language selection is the fourth option down. So we press down once, twice, three times, and then OK. And once we're in there, we've got all of the different languages available. I'm obviously set to English, which is the option very close to the top. And it loops all the way back round. And you can see your position in the list by this grey part of the bar, kind of moves as you go down. So if you're looking for English, you're going to want to head towards the top until we get there. Then just select whichever language it is you require, press OK, and you're good to go. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.